This DEWALT 20 volts 100% battery powered to eliminate the hassle of using gas, compressor, and hose. A brushless motor maximizes runtime and durability. Stapler drives 18 gauge 1/4 inches. Narrow crown staples from 1/2 inches to 1/2 inches, making it ideal for installing solid and engineered hardwood flooring. The tool-free adjustable base accommodates flooring thicknesses from 3/8 inches to 5/8 inches. Paddle trigger provides easy use in multiple orientations. High visibility tongue engagement for fast installation and non-marring profile tips to prevent floor scratches. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Multifunctional lights help to provide both workspace illumination and tool diagnostics. Tool-free selectable trigger for sequential or rapid sequential actuation modes. Integrated tool-free stall release lever to quickly reset the driver blade in the event of a stall. Bottom load magazine for easy loading and removal of jammed fasteners. Compatible with all DEWALT 20 volts max batteries. Includes DCN682 flooring stapler, 4.0Ah battery, charger, kit bag. This product is manufactured in Mexico. This product meets customer requirements. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 100% battery powered to eliminate the hassle of using gas, compressor, and hose. Number 2. This product is manufactured in Mexico. Number 3. This product meets customer requirements. Number 4. Maximum initial battery voltage is 20 volts. The nominal voltage is 18. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.